Summer is my favorite season. It's the time that I feel the most alive, but I always find it passes by so quickly, and I just want to make the most of it. I spent about a week here with my family, enjoying the sun, the beach, and all the summer magic that this place has to offer. It is so warm outside today, and honestly nothing makes me happier than a hot sunny day in the summertime. A day like today is literally what I long for in the deep dark days in the cold dead winter, and I couldn't be happier about it. Now that I'm home, there's a couple things that I want to do around the house to kind of get the house like summer ready, if you will. I realize I'm a little bit late because it's almost mid-July right now when I'm filming this, but it's better late than never, and summer doesn't technically end until September. I know some people like to start celebrating fall a little bit early, but I'm a summer girly and I like the summer to last as long as possible. So I think today I'm gonna get started on a couple of projects that I've been meaning to do for the summer. Last year, Tyler and I picked up this patio table on the side of the road for free during curbside giveaway weekend, but we never actually ended up putting it together and setting it up. I had to buy my own chairs later in the season. However, the chairs that I bought were black and this table is green. So this year before we set it up, I decided I wanted to give it a little bit of a makeover. So I'm just going to be spray painting the legs black. I think overall, it's just going to give it a much more freshened up look and make it look a lot more updated. When the summer days become sunny and warm, I like to try and do all of my projects outside, and this is something that I've been meaning to do for quite some time now. These shelves actually belong to the room I've been renovating in our basement, and they used to be stained with a really orangey wood stain, which I've been trying to get away from ever since we bought the house. So Tyler's dad put these through his planer for me and got rid of all of the old stain so that I could restain the shelves the color that I preferred. If anyone out there has seen our basement reno videos, this is actually the stain that we have left from the stairs. We have so much left of it, so pretty much anything that we're going to be staining in the near future is going to be this shade. But it felt really good to finally get this done and put the shelves up and get some of my vintage cameras set up on them. I truly don't know the first thing about gardening, but this year I wanted to give it a try. And I wanted to try doing something really simple and quite common. And someone from Tyler's work sent Tyler home with a couple of tomato plants, which was perfect because we both like tomatoes, the pigs like tomatoes, and I feel like tomatoes are decently easy to grow. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're giving it a try this year. Tyler built me this garden box out of some old wood that came from stairs that he had actually ripped down on our property, and I filled it up with a bit of compost, dirt, and planted some tomatoes in there. So here's hoping we get some tomatoes. Painting the top of the table proved to be the hardest part of the whole project because I had to tape off the whole glass top, which proved to be very tedious, but absolutely necessary. The final step before finally being able to see the fruits of my labor was to reassemble the table and attach the legs. I'm honestly so excited that my table is finally done and I finally have a place that I can sit outside and I can eat, or I can just sit there and work on something. I've literally wanted a table for that since last summer, and now I finally have it, which I am so excited, and it was free, which is awesome. And I'm really happy with how it turned out because I find the black just looks so much more modern, and it looks so much nicer, and it matches my lawn chairs that I have to go with it. So I think I'm gonna sit at the table for a little bit and work on my scrapbook because I've kind of fallen way behind and I haven't added to it since June. So I have a lot of pictures to catch up on, but it's such a nice evening and it's the perfect night to work on something outside.